Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV, and today we're going to talk about the 28 RB Jay Feather. The number one selling floor plan for Jay Feather is the 25 RB. This is her slightly bigger brother, and what Jayco has done is what Jayco does really well, and that is make great use of that additional floor space. Before we go inside, let's go over a couple of things that really make the Jay Feather a standout, and certainly in my opinion, must-haves. The steps, they flip up and out of the way. So when you're going down the road, you don't have these under here cracking into rocks, cracking into tree stumps, otherwise getting bent for you to spend more money on. Who doesn't like to make fajitas while they're camping? I know I do. Got a grill, Capital Grill, Quick Connect, LP powered. You've got a fridge here for sodas, drinks for dad, drinks for the kids, drinks for mom, whatever have you. There's a rear ladder that goes up to the roof as well. On the roof, there is a 200-watt solar panel already on there that maintains the power for the batteries. And of course, you've got this awning, outdoor speakers, Goodyear tires, aluminum rims. Cuts a nice profile. Very, very nice out here. Come on inside. Let's take a quick look. Okay. So the first thing you notice when you come in here, that is an ad on the 28 RB, storage. Put things here. This drawer flips up. You can probably put a couple of hangers here. You've got a nice drawer here, very deep. You've also got storage down below and a convenient little shoe garage. So you want to kick your shoes off and just poop right underneath here. That's great. TV's also here in the corner. On the 25 RB, it's a cross. But because you have this additional space, they've given you a couple of things that I think are going to be pretty cool, and I think you will too. The TV's here in the corner. Obviously the fireplace, which is standard for the Feather. TV pulls out, and you can angle it nicely. As you can see, pull the side ripcord. So across from this is also additional storage here. And this, that goes far, far back. So I can basically crawl into here and come out the other side. Whew, that was tight. Okay, I'm kidding. You can't actually crawl in there. Kids, do not try this at home. Got a lot of storage in here. You have to admit, Jayco's put little cubbies and storage things everywhere, which everybody likes. Good deep overhead storage here. Good storage throughout the kitchen. This as well is an addition. Big deep storage. Take a look in there. All the way into the back. Across from the kitchen, you have the wraparound dinette. Whether it's for 2 or 4, plenty of room, board games. This also converts into a sleeping area. This table will collapse, drop down here, put cushions over it. People can sleep there as well. Jayco, being Jayco, makes use of any place that has open space. So you have storage below here too, which you can also access from the top. The bathroom, because it's 28 feet, you have a pretty big bathroom. I'm 6'1". I'll step in the shower. I mean, would I want to do this on the daily? Probably not, but for camping for a week, yeah, I think I can get away with it. So deep, deep storage in here. You're going to fit more towels and bathroom toiletries than I think you're going to need. All these medicine cabinets. Look at this counter space. You got a sink way over here. You got a sink way over here. A lot of cabinets below you. Man, the Jay Feather 28 RB is just chock full of drawers and storage everywhere you look. Love the extra sized rear bathroom in this. Let's head to the bedroom. And what do you know? More storage. You have got a cabinet in here. 4 drawers below. Love this secret pull-out drawer on each side of the bed. Plenty of room for anything you'd want to put in here. You also have a phone charger on each side with a little USB port that'll connect. Storage above. 2 ACs. Rounds out this beautiful 28 RB Jay Feather. This is a newly released demo model on blowout. Look at the MSRP on this. You'd walk in here and go, wow, $68,772. But Brian, there has to be a better price. There's a better price. This is on blowout for $39,741. That's the closeout. Do not let this one get away from you. This is a beautiful Jay Feather 28 RB, and I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Thanks for watching.